Alright, we have this HP laptop here, and we're going to see how well it does against the circular saw I just bought, so let's see. The blade got jammed. It's my first time ever using one of these, by the way. Come on, HP. Hewlett-Packard. Let go of my blade. It got metal stuck up in my blade right there. What'd it do? It broke my blade. I gotta take the blade off. But we can just smash the rest of this, so I'm just gonna take the blade off first. Alright, I got it out. Let's try one more time. Come on, Ryobi. Gotta take out the awful HP. Come on. Well, time to finish it off. Time to finish off the HP laptop. And also this random VHS tape. Fancy. Over already. Thanks for watching.